Our brains work better when we think positively. Anxiety, depression, loneliness, impatience, and dissatisfaction. We do listen such words in our society every day. These all are the products of our negative thoughts. So, can we stop them? No, we cannot. All we can do is change our perspective of observing the things around us. So, I am going to talk about one of the most crucial and yet ignored in today's realm: positivity. Positivity means thinking in an optimistic way, looking for solutions, expecting good results, and making life happier. It is the happy and worry-free state of our mind which looks at the bright side of our life. We may call it a hope which we should have during the hurdles of our life. Positivity means positive frame of mind, and it comes from your state of mind, and mind's most powerful weapon is thought. So you need to inculcate good and positive thoughts to have a positive frame of mind, because when the energy of your thoughts come in harmony with the energy of universe, you attract things in your life on your own. As Mahatma Gandhi said that a man is but the product of his own thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes. Positive thoughts can enhance our happiness and make us more curious about life. As John Milton also described in Paradise Lost, that the mind is its own place and in itself can make a heaven of hell or hell of heaven. So it's all up to our mind, thoughts and imagery, and hell can be also as beautiful as heaven. Positivity changes your outlook on life, because whenever problems come to us, they create a negative aura around us and make us forget about all the blessings we have. We lose our patience and chicken out. In today's ambience, staying positive is one of the biggest challenges in front of our youth. So now the question occurs, how to stay positive? We have many myths regarding this, and we think that overcoming from negativity is a piece of cake. We think that we can get rid of from negativity by doing many things, like be optimist and hopeful, practice positive self-talk, and many more. But as per me, we should identify our areas of negativity, and instead of dragging on or running away from that problems, we should fight with them. By fighting with them, we would face the reality and we would find the permanent solutions of that problems. We can take an example of Nick Vujicic, who born with a disease called tetraamelia syndrome. He came into this world with neither arms nor legs. Throughout his childhood, Nick dealt not only with the typical challenges of school life, but he also struggled with depression and loneliness. But he had the ability to change his obstacles into opportunities and his walls into doors. Nick always says that hope you can't just born with, because I was born with pain. Despite it, he held a hope within himself which encouraged him to be a person more than he can be. He held passion in himself, and now he is a motivational speaker. I want to conclude my words by saying that you would get many negative conditions in your life, but if you have the faith, determination, courage, dreams and execution, then you would surely win from each and every negative side of you and your life. Thank you.